Eric here, Blue Nail Roofing, and today we're going to talk about crickets and saddles. Now that's one and the same, and we're not talking about Jiminy cricket, nor are we talking about the kind that you put on your horse. So crickets and saddles are designed to solve a problem. And building code states that any penetration through your roof that's over 30 inches wide, and mind you, some manufacturers say those that are over 24 inches wide need or have to have a cricket or a saddle. So a cricket or a saddle is just like you see here. It's a ridge that's put behind that penetration that has two valleys, and that allows the water that comes down the ensuing slope above to divert around the penetration. So what happens when you don't have a cricket? And that's a great question. And way back in the day, a lot of older homes I've found, like some of them have like 5 foot wide, 60-inch penetrations like chimneys that don't have a saddle or cricket. And what that does is dams up the water from above. So when you create a dam and water's flowing down roof and it hits a dam, it can't get around it, it is going to erode away. Just like the Grand Canyon, it's going to erode away at the flashings, at all the things that keep that penetration dry, keep water from getting in, and eventually will make that penetration or that flashing fail via rust, via just pressure from the water. And so it's important that you understand and have at least a contractor that's familiar with building code, crickets and saddles to make sure that your roof and your home is permanently fixed and stays dry year-round. Wind or hail, call Blue Nail.